Come test drive the 2017 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with the material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.